Do you want to use paid VPN for free? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can get premium VPN for free for 3 months. Okay, how you can use Avira VPN for 92 days without paying anything. And this is the premium VPN where you will get all countries unlocked. Okay, you can use the VPN of all countries, the location of all countries. Okay, so if you want to get it, you can join my Telegram. So I will provide you the link. So you can click on the link, and after that you will redirect this offer page. After that, you need to enter your email address like I did. There you can see. So you will get this interface. And after that, we need to go to our Gmail. Okay, you can see there the received email is there. We have got it's about the offer about 92 days for free. And you can see there we can use this VPN on 5 devices. Okay, simply we need to enter our password. Mean we need to create the password, a strong password you can create. So enter the strong password, and after that click on continue. Enter the first name, last name, and select country Pakistan and click on register. So you have been almost done. You can see there. If you want to get the link of this offer for premium VPN, you can join my Telegram, you can join my WhatsApp. I will provide the resources link there, so you can activate your VPN using that link. Okay, no card needed, no any payment needed, just it's free for 3 months. Okay, so you can see there the offer is for 92 days. It will expire after 92 days. So you can install the VPN in your device. I would like to install this on my device. You can also use it on mobile or any other device which you want, tablet like that. So I want to install it on my this laptop. Okay, you can see the installation has been completed. Okay, the VPN has been downloaded. So I just clicked on install. Now it's installing. So after installation, you can go to security and privacy section, and you will see their VPN option. So you can connect any premium location, okay, without any charges, with zero payment. Okay, if you want to get the VPN like Surfshark, any other VPN, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and Telegram. It's paid. Okay, but this VPN is for free. If you want to get it, you must have to join my Telegram. And also please subscribe